worry kung wala na sad si mama sa imong special day. I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday and happy little birthday. Dalaga na jud akong baby girl. I love you.
Not just because we're family, but because you've grown into someone truly special. Turning 18 is a big step, and I'm so proud of the person you're becoming. Strong, kind, and ready for whatever life brings. Here's to your journey ahead. Keep shining, keep growing, and always stay true to yourself. Happy 18th birthday.
Ibang papa dyan makakusok sa imuhan. Dili ka magtinarong, so welcome to the legality, and we are always here for you no matter what happened, because I know nga ikaw po na akong kapirmi sa mo every time mag-chat ko nga with crying emoji again, kinala ko na ano nang mabibak sa silingan siya naman yun ko. We love you so much, you know that.
Happy birthday, and excited ko ma-witness na what woman you're becoming, and ako din na yung ibang pag-aaral sa ginapuhin kasi gusto mo ako padayon lang ito palungan si ate na importante mo yung papa and tanan din yung mga pamilya, friends, and tanan na close me mo huwag mo ako happy birthday again and pag-enjoy sa
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for calling.